Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Zodi Styles. My name is Zodua. I have come back with another video, a makeup tutorial, how to cut your crease part 2, and I want you to stay tuned, enjoy, relax, and learn something. Bye, see y'all soon. Alright guys, I already did my eyebrows off camera and I moisturized my face and everything. Now I'm going to be applying my Maybelline concealer on my eyelid. And that's what I'm doing on both eyes, and I'm just going to blend it in. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm blending it right now on both eyes. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to apply my benign powder on top of it. You know, it's just to give it a good adherence to my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be using my the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. I'll be applying the transition color, that's the copper color, on my crease, and I'm going to be taking it a little bit up. I'll make sure I blend it in. I applied more because I wanted that, you know, I want it to be to have more color, to be darker, deeper. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing that on the other eye also right now. And now I'm going to be cutting my crease. This is another way to cut your crease. You apply a little bit on your eyelid, the lower one, and look up. And you see that the concealer already stuck to the eye, to the crease. Now you're going to draw with the concealer wand. You're going to draw it farther down, inward and outward. And then you use another flat brush to just draw, because I don't want too much concealer. I just use it to move it on from side to side, and I take it up, you know, according to what I want. Just make sure that the concealer gets to the right crease. When you don't know how to cut your crease, you don't know where to start with your crease, this is a good method for you to use. You just apply it on top of your lid, and then you look up, like I did mine twice, so I can really get the concealer onto my crease. And then you use another brush to just, you know, move the extra concealer that went to the crease. You just move it from side to side according to how you want it. And I'm going to do it again on this eye. See that? And this one was one time. So that's where your crease starts. For me, that's where my crease starts. And then I just use the wand from the concealer to just move it from side to side. And then I move it inward right now. That's another method. This one is quite easy for you to locate your crease with the concealer. And now, so I'm using the flat brush again to just blend it in and make sure I move the concealer to where I want it to go. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm moving it up. This is a very good method. I think easier method than the one I showed before. If you don't know how to locate your crease, this is a method to use. So I'm moving on to my Zulu palette again. I'm using the red pigment, and I'm going to be applying that on top of the beginning of my crease, because that was what I was supposed to do this, but I didn't know where my crease starts from, so I decided to use this method to do it. And I'm putting on top. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, I'm going to be applying my green color. That green color is highly pigmented. You're going to see now. It's highly pigmented, and it has glitters inside. And that's what I'm going to be applying in my inner eye. I'm going to be applying it. I'll be following the concealer, where I apply the concealer. I'm going to be following that. I'm not going outside the crease. I'm not going outside the crease. I'm just going inside. I'm going to be within the concealer right here. So that's what I'm doing right now. And you can also use another type of concealer or eyeshadow base, like white. You can use that. It's going to bring out the color properly. More than this, it's going to bring out the color. And right now I'm going to be applying my blue. This one has glitters also. It's so lovely. I could not help myself but to put that in the middle. That's what I'm going to be doing now. Right now I'm applying the blue eyeshadow in the center. As you can see, I'm blending it into the green. So it's not going to be showing on its own like, okay, blue is here. No, I'm blending it into the green. And I'm not going outside my crease either with this one. I'm not going outside my crease. I'm within where I applied my concealer. Like so, as you can see, I'm going to be applying this teal color. This teal color is really nice. There's no glitter in this one. This is just powdery. The Zulu palette is really a very nice palette. I'm applying that in the corner right there. I'm doing a V shape outside. So I'm using my pencil brush because this pencil brush really goes into, it gives the details. It makes you get into the detail of everything on your eye. I bought this on, I think, AliExpress. I can't remember. Either AliExpress or eBay. And now I'm doing the other eye. I'm not going to be showing you everything on here because I already did the major thing on the other eye. So I'm doing the same thing. Applying my green. And then I'm not going outside the crease this time. Right now I'm applying my blue eyeshadow. Like I said, if you really want it to be very loud, you can use your white eyeshadow base. I'm applying the teal color right now in my outer, and I'm making a V. So I'm blending it into the crease. Right now I'm using the same teal, and I'm just putting it right on top of my crease because I want to blend out the crease. I don't want it to be too sharp, and that's my preference. Is you don't have to do this, but this is what I like. So I don't want it to be too sharp. It's still going to show that I cut my crease regardless, but I'm just blending everything in. And now to give it a very nice pop, I'm applying my gold highlighter in the corner, in my tear duct, close to my tear duct. And that's what I'm doing in the corner to just blend everything in. That's what I'm applying now. And I'm using my angle brush from. So as you can see, I'm just bringing the gold highlighter in a little bit inside so it can blend all together. I don't want to add any ash line. And now I'm going to be lining my eyes with this Super Cat eyeliner. I got this one a long time ago, and that's what I'm doing, but it's almost finished. So that's what I'm applying right now on my eyelid. I'm bringing it out a little bit because I'm still going to apply my eyelashes anyway. I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. And now I'm applying my Maybelline eyeliner. This one is metallic. I really want it to come out real good, so that's why I'm applying it on top of the one I already did before. I'm just following what I did already before, and I'm doing that I'm also applying I'm applying my what's it called, the teal pigment in my lower lash line. So I'm smudging it in with my fingers. I'm smudging it right now. And now I'm going to be applying my eyeliner in my lower lash line. And now I have to go in with my mascara, the Colossal mascara from Maybelline. That's what I'm doing now. Can you see the eyeshadow blended in? Real nice. And now I'm supposed to apply my eyelashes, but I decided not to, but I showed you anyway. And now I'm just applying my e.l.f. HD powder all over my face. This is just a way of making my what's it called to be my I'm using my CoverGirl now. My CoverGirl for cappuccino on my face foundation. So the white powder is to make my foundation to be a kind of matte. So, and I think I overdid it. Yeah, you will see it later. So I'm just applying my foundation all over my face. Right now, CoverGirl Cappuccino, I'm going to be showing you next. I have bought a Juvia's Place foundation, and I'm going to be showing you how I apply my foundation properly and how the Juvia's Place foundation is going to hold up. That'll be next time. So I'm using my elf powder brush to just blend in all the foundation all over my face. Foundation looks nice, very nice. Okay, so right here, I'm going to be applying my Maybelline. I like this concealer. I also bought Juvia's Place concealer. I'm going to be showing you next time. I've not used it. I used the concealer, but I've not used my foundation. So you're going to be the first to see how I use it and how it's going to hold up for hours. And now I'm just applying my concealer on my what's it called? My baggy area. So I'm making sure the extra eyeshadow is covered up with the concealer, and I'm also going to go down on my nose bridge, lower lip, upper lip and lower lip, and then over my forehead. And this one is just to give it like reversible contour. That's why I'm applying it there. So I just started doing that. And I'm going to be using my beauty blender to just blend everything in. Please don't be like me. I waited a little bit for the concealer to dry. Don't do that. Blend in right away. Blend in right away. It's going to turn into a kind of powder, and it's going to be so difficult to blend in properly. I had to work with it. I had to work for this one. So don't be like me. That's why I said I'm going to be showing you how to properly apply your foundation and concealer next time. As you can see, my eyelashes, the one I fixed already, are kind of falling down, but it's going to be fixed later in the video. So with your foundation and your concealer, blend properly, please. Blend properly. I decided to show you my flaws and everything so you don't make the same mistakes. But for the eyeshadow, very nice. Now I'm going to be applying my benign powder under my eye on both sides. I'm looking forward to trying out other highlight powder. Looking forward to doing that. So maybe next time you see me or later, I will be showing you another powder. So I'm just blending everything in, and now I'm going to be contouring with my Sephora. I love this, my Sephora contour palette. It's so nice. So I'm moving it a little bit high up my cheekbone to define my cheekbone the more. Even though I already have cheekbone, I already have my cheekbone, but just to define it more, I just did that. Moving up to my forehead. I just do that lightly because my forehead is already dark. So now I'm going to be contouring my nose, just to define it, so it's not going to be looking all flat all over. Even though I love my nose though. I love my nose. So contouring. What I did at first was to pinch my contour brush to give it that pointed look. I'm using my highlighter from BH Cosmetics. It's called something wild. I can't remember the name. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm using the champagne gold on my nose. And now I'm using the bronze gold on my cheekbone. Okay, right now I'm going to be spraying my face with the Wet and Wild setting spray. And now I'm going to be applying my blush from BH Cosmetics. I'll be using the peach color on my cheeks. Doing that on both sides. It's highly pigmented, but I'm being careful with the color. I don't want it to be too much. Blending it in because I don't want it to be too much. I'm using my powder brush to just blend it in. Did you see the difference the spray made? It made a huge difference. Okay, I'm going to be applying my lip gloss from LA Colors. What I did first, I aligned my lips, and now I'm applying my LA color, the nude color. I can't remember the name, but I know it's nude. You cannot really go wrong with nude with this eyeshadow color. You can go with pink too, light pink though. All right, I'm done with my makeup. I thought I was done, but my eyelashes were falling out. Can you see that? So I looked at my face. I was like, what? Your eyelashes are falling down. So I took it off and decided to fix it. And now we are done. That's it. Over and out. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget, I hope you learn one or two things right here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.